Kids Story: The Magic Bell of New Year 2026.
In a happy little school called Sunrise Public School, children were excited because New Year 2026 was almost here. The classrooms were decorated with stars, balloons, and colorful papers. Everyone was talking about dreams, hopes, and new beginnings. On the last day of the year, the children found a shiny golden bell in the school hall. A small note beside it read, "Ring me with kindness, hope, and unity, and New Year magic you will surely see." Curious and excited, the children gathered around. One by one, they shared their wishes. "I will help my friends," said Aarav. "I will study with focus," smiled Meera. "I will be kind to everyone," said little Kavi. When the bell rang 26 times in spirit, the school glowed with warm light. The teachers smiled, birds chirped louder, and laughter filled the air. The bell had worked. The children learned that New Year magic comes from good thoughts, good habits, and caring hearts. With joy and confidence, they welcomed New Year 2026, ready to shine brighter together. Happy New Year 2026!
Laugh and learn, it's so much